Sport and Recreation Spatial is all about investigating sport and recreation participation and facilities and health for evidence-based decision making for the sport and recreation sector. This demonstration video provides an example of how participation levels and trends could be explored. First of all, we will explore whether or not participation for females in this sport is consistent across LGAs within Victoria. The map clearly shows us that the number of females within each area differs. We've got areas that are high and the areas that are low. The legend over here shows us the number of females within each of the map display colours. This provides us with a total number of female participants. However, it is often more useful to understand the participation rate, that is, the percentage of the population of a given area. We might look at just, for example, those that are 4 to 25-year-olds, females, as a participation rate. We can see clearly areas where there's a higher proportion for females of that area that play this sport, and some other areas where the proportion is lower. The legend again here provides us an indication of the participation rate per females of the population. If we wanted to further explore these statistics in detail, we can click on different regions to understand the participation. So here, majority of females participate in this sport, and we can have a look at the total number of participants, how many courts and facilities there may be, coaches and umpires, and then we get a benchmark of all the other LGAs as well. This information can be printed, and we can copy a particular map, we can bookmark a specific map, or we can export that data into summary reports as well. Understanding participation levels and how these differ across regions can assist with specific geographical strategic planning, for example, program delivery or coach education for a particular area. It's also useful to see how participation changes over time. We can look at it as a percentage or as a count. We can see the participation has risen in many areas and some areas where it has decreased, and then we can try and understand why this is occurring and how it might relate to maybe the number of coaches or program delivery strategies in these areas. We may see trends of higher or lower participation in an LGA that would be useful to examine at a finer geographical level. For this, we can change the display options to actually postcode level. From this, we can see that even postcodes that are close together may have wide range of levels of participation and how this has changed over time, and this can assist us with targeted regional strategies. We may be interested in understanding how participation in a given program or age range. So we might look at a modified sports program. So this map shows the participation in a specific modified sports program, or you can always choose a specific age range as well. Participation. There are many more data settings and functions available that can be used to further investigate why these patterns are occurring, such as population demographics, population changes, socioeconomic status, coaches and officials, and there's many other overlays that we can have relating to socioeconomic status, relating to health, as also relating to facilities as well. And there's different ways that we can view that data and look at regional statistics. This video provided a summary of how you might want to explore participation levels and trends in sport.